Hey everyone, welcome back to Techinstall. In this video, I'll show you how to install and run Google TV on your Windows PC using Android Studio. Let's get started. First, open your browser and download Android Studio from the official Android developers website. Click on the Download Android Studio. Click on the Download Android Studio Quail 1 link. Then scroll all the way down and check the box. Now wait till the installer finishes downloading and open the folder. Double-click to open the setup and click on Run to start the installation. Go ahead and click on Next till you get to Install. Click on Next and Next again. Select Accept and click on Next. Click on Finish. Go to More Actions and select Virtual Device Manager. Click on the plus button and click on Allow. Click on the plus button. As you can see, we have a lot of devices here. Select TV. Select any TV you want here. Select Android TV Intel and edit the name to Android TV. Click on Finish. Select the Android TV and click on the play button to open. Select Google Play Store. Browse and select the app you want to use. I'll select Yup TV for example. Click on Install and wait for it to finish. Now click on Open. That's how you download and install Android TV on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to Techinstall for more software installation guides.